In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos on Facebook, but I'm also going to show you how to untag yourself from a photo that you were tagged on. So it's real easy to do, only takes a couple seconds. So let's go to Facebook and go to your profile by clicking your profile picture at the top left-hand corner, and then go ahead to Photos, and then go ahead and click on your photos and videos. So from here, let's go ahead and just choose a photo that we want to get rid of, and I'm just going to choose this photo here. And from here, go ahead to the three dots at the top right-hand corner here, and you're going to get a bunch of options here. You just want to go ahead and hit delete photo. So once you hit delete photo, go ahead and hit confirm. Go ahead and hit delete. And then within a couple seconds, your photos should update and that photo should just disappear as it just did. So let's go ahead and untag ourselves from a photo that you were tagged in. So go back and go ahead and hit tagged photos. And I'm just going to scroll down here and pick this photo here, and then go to those same three dots at the top right-hand corner. So from here, what you want to do is go ahead and hit remove tag. And then what this is going to do is it's not going to delete the photo, but it's going to remove the tag that someone tagged you in, so it doesn't pop up in your tagged photos. So that it's super simple and super easy to untag yourself from those photos as well. And then go ahead and hit OK. I'm just going to hit cancel here, and then that will also update as well. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and delete photos from Facebook, but then also be able to untag yourself from photos that people have tagged you in. And that's it.